Right, so we've got a new location here, so we've got a paper mill. So let's see if we can get in. The guy I'm with just now has already had a wee look around and seen if it's accessible, and he says it's accessible, so should be fine. But the climbing begins. This place is absolutely huge. The place that I got this from, the location, was from another YouTuber, so I do appreciate it. He didn't give away the location, but I seen your video and it inspired me to try and find this place. So it's currently getting demolished, isn't it? Loved. Right, where's the best part?
There's some stuff in here, and then we'll head up.
Alright, you want to just walk around?
Keep an eye out for everything usually.
Yeah. Also, we know our way out, the security won't know that way. So it's just all, is this where the paper mill was?
I think so, yeah. I think this is mostly control. The next building is the actual factory.
Well, there's no point going down there, let's head back around. It's like a giant hoover. It's a giant vacuum. Look with the new lens, look how close I can get with the camera.
Oh wow. Look at these covers.
Yeah, that's been there for ages, there's even rust. Look at these things. Goodness me, those are welded in. Oh! Turny, imagine you started something. Some bolts and some plugs. These are actually, you took a picture of these.
Yeah.
Are these rubber? There they are.
Little grommets or something.
And then there's switches and basically
Little parts.
little fuses and stuff like that. Oh goodness me.
There's a little crane upstairs.
Look at those bolts.
Oh wow.
Do you think that'll fit the Mini? Right.
The other day had a cat or something here.
How?
Look at the volume of this.
Yeah. Got all this. This is crazy. It looks so old. Polishing machines and everything. Cat bolt down there. Oh, these machines are still on. These machines not still on, they're buzzing away.
Not these ones, no.
But that looks fairly new.
There's an old mixer.
Little mixer there. Oh, there's the crane you were talking about. That's quite smart. Crane.
500 volts.
500 volts. Some bulbs. Right. Let's head down and see the next part. Right, so we've managed to make it downstairs. But yeah, they are destroying it. They are pulling it all down with excavators and stuff like that. Oh goodness me.
There's nothing else now.
We've gone up there.
No.
Right. This is mad. We were just up there a second ago. But yeah, look at that. It's crazy. Where are we going?
Up that ladder.
Up that ladder. Alright, we're gonna climb this and see you in a bit. So we managed to make it up. So we got much more to do, but some of the big massive blue. Oh, that's what you mean. Goodness me, man, I'm getting covered in all this stuff. plant is huge. So there is an active plant beside it, but they're demolished all this part. So the active plant is over there. That's the active plant. This bit's not active. This bit's fully abandoned. All the computers. Oh, look at that. Look at all this paint. Old computers and everything. Oh, look at that. Look at that massive turbine.
Some better condition bolts. Yeah, but TV.
The Urbex TV. Is that the one you took pictures of?
Yeah.
Do you write Urbex on the front of it?
No, one of your other explorers did it.
Are you being serious? Urbex TV. I don't know if you guys can even see that. It's quite funny. Right, let's go. It's over this way, yeah.
Go up there next. See if there's anything down here.
That's just a door down there. It's nothing.
Nothing?
It's a door to the floor. You tell me we climbed all that when there was a door. So just this part here, yeah?
This is where we're going next. All in there. There's the new site.
And that's where it all go. That was the old
That's where
site.
It used to go all the way over there.
And it's all gone now.
It's all gone.
Right, so let's try and get in here. How's the best way to get into there? Right, we're gonna try and get into there, guys. So let's see if we successfully get in. Right, so let's gonna head into the big building. That's how it's where Alec got in. That person?
No. Do you want to do that?
Yeah. Come on, camera.
Fucking hell.
Right, I got in. Oh, they're starting to rip that side of the building off, as you can see. What way do you want to go? You been in this bit yet? Right, I'm gonna head downstairs first just to make it easier. Oh, actually, yeah. But you see they've just ripped the front end of the building clean off because they're demolishing it. So luckily we're getting this explored before they completely demolish it. That's mad. I can't believe they they rip it apart like this. Is there any more stairs on the way down? Yeah. Look at that machine down there.
Which one?
That one there. Control panel. Mate, look at the basement. The basement's flooded. So I have no clue, guys, when this paper mill closed, but I can see got old furnaces and everything. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at that. We've got an old furnace here. Look in the furnace. There's another one over here too. Just pull it open. Oh goodness me. That's crazy. Oh. And like old stuff here. The basement is flooded. The basement's flooded.
Oh wow.
Did Alec and all that get down there?
Huh?
Did Alec get down there?
I'm not sure if someone should do that.
This is amazing. Where do you want to go now?
I'll take some pictures and then we can have that one.
Yeah, take a wee quick walk down here. Get pictures on the way back. This is crazy. Oh, look at that. Look at the way the water, the light just comes in. It's like it's just been left and it's just completely gone to habitat. Question is, what's through here? Oh, that's a new plant through there. New plants through there. What's creepy room in the corner. Oh goodness me. Turbo feed pumps. There you go, mate. Turbo for your car. Turbo. It's got a turbo in it. Hmm?
Is that asbestos thing?
I don't know.
Won't go in. Wait, go down there.
That's it. That's it. Let's head back.
This is cool.
This is weird. Don't know. So let's continue walking and see what we find. We just came down and we've just literally seen there's wires in the water and it looks really creepy. And it goes on for ages. Goes as far as the full plant.
It's still here.
What?
This.
Oh!
Wait, let me get my pictures.
Excuse me, Paul.
Yo, that's sick.
That's mad. The
Oh,
big
that's
question
so cool,
is
yeah.
what is in here? Oh no way, all the paperwork's in here. Yeah, all the paperwork. All the paperwork. There's flashlights, hard hats, welding masks, welding suits. I'm going over. Look at all this. Like how I come over silently and you sound like an elephant.
Wow.
This is crazy.
Oh my god, they have a lookout tagout thing.
Like, look at the welding masks. Goodness me, look at the size of that socket. Look at the size of that socket.
Oh my god.
I wouldn't even go over there.
You what?
I wouldn't go over there.
You're not?
Yeah. Hmm? What? I've seen it. Look at earplugs. Still sitting in its little holder. But this is about to be the coolest part. So I'm gonna climb over that rubble and let's see where it takes us. This is what's left of the building, so we need to be careful when we're going down. What's the best way down, man?
Watch out, you put the camera and you just climb.
So like that's a big metal pole. We could use a big metal
Best
pole.
way, it's just been done.
There's a big metal pole. Mate, would it not be best if I go down first and you go down after me? So you don't smash rubble onto me. Or don't. There we go. Oh, look at that, it just ripped clean into the side of the building. Just ripped clean into it. The excavator is over there. Just ripped into it and just completely destroyed it. It's a big shame.
Wow, what's that?
What is that?
I don't know.
Look at the wires are cut.
So this is where it's sitting right now. I don't know where it is now.
It's over there.
When we finish, we can go up on that bit. Jesus. You can go up to the top of that.
Can you?
Yeah.
I can't believe that they just started ripping into the building. Well, that is what it is, eh? So let's head up to the top of that and let's get a wee scenery view of the full area. But it did go on for absolute ages, but they've started to mosh it. So let's start heading up there. Right, so we're now heading up this huge. So we can see an overview of the paper mill. There's a river running under it. This is how you can get up.
Yeah.
So that's the new factory. Then over there, so the old factory. Can't even see it that well. Mate, let's get off this.
Look where it's been ripped off.
Yeah, let's go. He's mad. Look at the drop. And he's got us up there. But guys, if you did enjoy, please like, subscribe and comment as always. And we'll see you in the next one.